In this video, I'm going to be talking about Orgeat. And what the hell is Orgeat, I hear some of you asking? Well, if you're a bartender, you should know what this is unless you're brand new to the industry. If you're watching this at home, if you're nothing to do with the industry and just love drinks, then let me tell you, Orgeat is basically an almond flavoured sugar syrup, which should traditionally have orange blossom water added to it as well, or extract, whatever you want to call it. But the brand that I've been using for a long time has been Monin. I've been using this, God knows, 10, 12, I've got no idea how many years I've been using this, but it's been my go-to because for me, I've never really deep dived, I've never really tasted Orgeat side by side. I just trust Monin as a brand, and I think that's pretty much standard. However, I'm a member of quite a few Facebook groups online. There's been a lot of chat recently about homemade Orgeats, about how you can't get Orgeat, that how it should taste or anything like that. So I've been getting quite inquisitive. If you like me, I haven't really got time. I've got a lot of things going on. I haven't really got time to make my own Orgeat, so I kind of prefer buying things in. And also as well, if you're running a bar, if you're working in the bar, you know, my sort of mentality is, why would you pay someone extra hours or anything like that to come in and make syrups when they could be doing other things as well, like serving customers and things like that? So I'm of the sort of party where I like to buy things in, but I want a great brand. Now, as I said, I've never really had the opportunity, never really had the foresight to taste them side by side. As far as I've been aware, Monin has been pretty much the only brand on there. However, a good friend of mine now is pumping these out, ODK. You've seen sort of the lime juice and the lemon juice and a load of the purees I've been using on this channel as well. So I'm quite keen to sort of taste that and see what it's like. But I did notice on one of these forums as well that quite a few people swear by Giffard or Giffard, whatever you want to call them. So I've just ordered in one of each. I've got a tiny little bit left of the Monin there as well. And I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to do a little taste test to see which one I prefer and whether there's actually any difference at all. So how are we going to do this taste test? Quite simply, we're going to get involved in drinking some sugar. We are going to get hypo, but there's two parts to this. So what I've done, I've got a little bit of each Orgeat in each glass, and then what I've done, because it is one of my favourite cocktails, because it is what the cocktail that this is kind of famous for, I've got 3 Mai Tais that I've made up using, I'll show you the Mai Tai ingredients in a minute, but using exactly the same ratios, and I've just swapped the Orgeat out in each recipe. So first things first, I'm going to go with the Monin. That's the one I've been used to, been there. Ooh, smell wise, big almond notes coming off there. It's quite a nice, decent smell. Does what it says on the tin. It's an almond flavoured sugar. I don't really get too much going on from that. I don't know what other ingredients we've got. Contains bitter almond extract, sugar, water, emulsifier. So exactly what it is. No mention of the orange in there, which is kind of a lot of what the tiki recipes and all that and all the sort of rum cocktails call for. But that's all right. It's an almond flavoured sugar. Right. Next one. Let's go the brand new one. This is ODK's Orgeat. This one has nice plastic bottle as well, because I do like dropping them. This has got vanilla extract, orange flower extract, plus sugar, water, and that's it. So we have got the orange in there, but we've also got a bit of vanilla. So, wow, smell wise, that is completely and utterly different. Smell, cool. You do get the orange, and you get a tiny bit of vanilla on there as well, but the almond as well, that is completely different in smell. Wow, that is really nice. That's got a whole different level. I don't want to get pretentious, but it's kind of got a whole different level of complexity about it. You get the almond, but then you kind of get a little subtle hint of the orange, a tiny little hint of vanilla coming through. That is absolutely lovely. Really like that. Cool. Who knew Orgeats could be so different? Right, last one. This is the Giffard or Giffard. Any mention of what's in this one? Sugar, water, natural flavourings, brackets, almond. So again, no mention of the orange. We've just got almond. It's an almond flavoured sugar, no doubt about that. I set that to one side. I think I actually prefer the Giffard. Giffard? What is it? Giffard or Giffard? I never know. I think I prefer, I'm going to say Giffard. Let's go Giffard. I think I prefer the Giffard to the Monin, which is an absolute shocker. However, hands down, I love that ODK one. Wow, that's really, really nice. Okay, who knew that Orgeats could be so different? By the way, if you want to know what the word Orgeat means, it doesn't mean almond. It's the Latin made from barley or something like that. Anyway, quite where the almond comes into it, I don't know, but there we go. So let's go Mai Tai testing. As it's my favourite cocktail, I thought, why not? Let's crack the beast out. This is one of my favourite rums, Plantation. Still got a tiny, tiny bit left. I'll keep having a little bit here and there. 2002 Plantation, loved it. It's kind of the simple Trader Vic's old school kind of Mai Tai recipe. All right, so we've got, haven't got any front orange curacao, so I've got bowls. I kind of like the bowls one, to be fair. I've got lime, I've got sugar, and then we've got our Orgeat as well. So first up, I'm going to go same order. I'm going to go Monin. So this is what I've been making and what I've loved for years, okay? Yeah, quite happily drink that all day long. So nice. The Mai Tai is kind of nice because you've got the rum, you've got a lovely bit of orange in there, but you've got a little bit of citrus bouncing off the kind of almondy flavours. Really, really nice. I love that. Nothing wrong with that at all. So the question is, can we make it better? So let's go for the Giffard. Similar. It is similar. Oh, I think I'm preferring the Giffard. Giffard. Right, here we go. So the ODK was hands down, neat, the best one out of the lot. Does it add to the Mai Tai? Very simply, yes, it does. Wow, I cannot believe a sugar syrup makes so much difference. I'm absolutely amazed by that. Now, if you want to buy this online, there isn't that much price difference, to be fair. If you are rocking out trade accounts in the UK, I will be honest with you, that is cheap as chips. You know, you shouldn't be paying much more than sort of £4.50, £5 for that if you're in the trade. That is a litre bottle, so slightly more expensive. I paid £6, I think it was £6.40 for that yesterday, for a litre. But ODK, this is from drinkstuff.com. I will put the links in the show notes of where you can get that from. I've forgotten how much I paid. I think I paid £6.20. I can't say for sure. Can't remember, so don't hold me to that. But I'll stick a link in the show notes. I cannot believe how much of a difference that makes to the Mai Tai. Cheers.